The Charing Cross Aortic Workshops aims to create a possibility for attendees to have expert access, seeing the latest technology in aortic surgery, and also have hands-on experience with the technologies coming around, both in imaging and in devices. At Charing Cross 2020, we are aiming to create a possibility for interactive sessions involving the latest in aortic imaging and intraoperative imaging with fusion and 3D use of 3D fusion for facilitation of complex aortic procedures, as well as hands-on session involving the latest devices for treatment of aortic disease, where delegates can interact and get a feel of what is in the pipeline and what can be performed in aortic surgery today. I think the attendees both get the direct access to the board-leading experts in several of these complex aortic procedures, and hopefully can bring that back to their clinical practice, day-to-day practice, to improve patient care and improve outcomes in their home practices. One of the things I really enjoy with Charing Cross is the international presence of both faculty and attendees, and that's really fruitful to see how diseases are treated and how problems that we all face in vascular surgery are tackled in different circumstances. The fantastic international turn-up of the attendees is a big flavor of the Charing Cross Symposium.